Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome to Excellence tutorial. Beta, summer season is already started, so you have to take care about yourself and your family. Okay. In our previous lecture, we have learned about the parts of speech. In this new lecture, we are going to learn about the kinds of noun. So before start our new lecture, we have to recall our previous lecture. That one is the parts of speech. So parts of speech, there are the 8 types of the parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Also we have discussed about the short definition of the parts of speech. Noun means the naming word. Pronouns means the qualifies a noun. Adjective means the giving more information about the noun and pronoun. Also qualifies a noun and pronoun. Okay. Another verb. Verb means action word. Then adverb giving more information about a verb. It's called a adverb. Again, that one is the preposition. That one is the relating word. Which word is showing relation between two objects or two things. Okay. Then conjunction. That one is the joining word. Which word is joined to sentences or to words. Last one is the interjection. That one is the sudden feeling expressing word. Okay. Which word is not planned by our side. Okay. So let's start our new session, new lecture. That one is the kinds of noun. Kinds of noun. So there are the 5 types of nouns. There are the 5 types of the noun. First one is a proper noun. Second one is a common noun. Third one is a collective noun. Fourth one is a abstract noun. And last one is a material noun. So here mainly 5 types of the okay. Proper noun means particular name of any person, place, things, animal and the material. For example, Ramesh, Delhi, Ganga and so on. That one is a proper noun. Another common noun. Common noun means that one is not bifurcation or the not particular name of the noun of the subject. That one is a river, lake, city, town, country and so on. That one is a common noun. So there is not mentioned particular name of a river, lake, city, town and the country. Okay. Next one is a collective noun. Collective noun. So what is the definition of the collective noun? That one is a group of similar. So what is the meaning of the similar? Group of a similar. Similar means equal quality or the blood relation. Another abstract noun. Abstract noun means feelings. Abstract noun means feelings. Sadness, happiness. Okay, that one is the feelings. Abstract noun means feelings. For example, happiness or the happy or the sad and so on. That one is abstract noun. Last one is the material noun. Material noun means non-living object. Non-living objects. For example, cement, paper and plastic. etc. So dear students, this is enough for today. We will meet you in our upcoming videos or lecture. You have to keep it in your mind. You have to subscribe and like. Also you have to share this video to your friends. Okay? Thank you.